version is way from creation.
So vegan word, sound is power, let me tell you say a word. Sound is power, let me tell you say a word. Make a move and don't say a word. Have you heard? Well listen this word. Sound is power, let me tell you say a word. Sound and power, let me tell you say a word. You have the power now you heard. Make you move and don't say a word. Have you heard?
We're a mighty long way from home, but you know what? We're right here, we're situated, and we're happy, and we're finding our ground here. And we're doing well.
Yes, we are.
Tell me your name.
Ajawa. Carla from Chicago.
What side of Chicago you from, Ajawa?
West side.
West side. You know what? I'm a Malcolm X College graduate. I've been sitting here in Africa since 2020. I didn't know y'all were here. You didn't know I was here either. But I'm just trying to say that this is my first day seeing people who I think you understand me. You know, you're in a place where we're foreigners. He mentioned the word Obruni or something earlier. I don't buy that because I stopped being a nigga when I got on the plane. I ain't gonna be no nigga at home. So, I ain't going there. I just wanted to say, here's your meeting. Here's my first time being here. Here's my first time seeing you guys. I don't know what this committee is all about. I don't know what this group is all about. I signed up into his WhatsApp thing yesterday when I came over here to find where Palace Africa actually is. I said, I've been in enough taxis that take me around and around and around. So I came yesterday as a trial run just to find this place because I said, I gotta see these people. And here you are, and here I am. Now, introduce yourself, my brother.
Oh, Brother Uriel.
My brother Uriel, where you from?
I'm from Chicago.
All right, Chi-Town in the house.
I just launched a diaspora directory, so hey, come and check me out.
How long have you been here, my brother?
Oh, well, actually, last 2 years, but I've been here on and off for 24 years.
That's what I'm talking about. So you're not new to this?
No,
not at all.
I ain't new at all.
That's what I said, Chicago people, they solid.
Oh, they solid.
You know what I'm saying? I'm from the Shire. So I'm going to say, sign up from the South Side. Well, I'm from South Side. And I ain't ashamed.
39.
That's what I, you know, I get in and I get out.
Right,
I'm from the Shire. All right, all right.
So I've been here for the last 2 months, so we'll be going back in another 2 weeks' time. So my background is to do with employability, working with young people, as well as counselling and healing as well. And that's it. Oh, and I'm from Berkshire, Slough. UK.
Okay, what's your name, my brother?
Oh, I'm not Najee Me.
I love your name.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm from Miami, Florida. This is my wife. This is Nana Ajawa. I'm from the first. We just got in school January 1st.
I'm in school
in New
too.
York.
All right now.
Yeah. So we got a construction company called Shalom Consultant Building Construction. We also have an NGO called Shalom Disciples, and that's how we ended up getting in school. Wasn't looking for nothing. Wasn't looking to do the NGO or the construction company. It just came that way and stuff. And the chief of the village seen the work that we was doing within the village, because they have a school in there, and so when he saw that, he brought this to us and stuff, which was already prophesied to us a month before it was, he must ask for, did we want to have that position and stuff. And then with the construction company, we started the construction company with no money down.
No money down.
People just took a chance on us to build a home for them.
Took a chance.
Yeah, took a
You got
chance.
that face. That smile. I would have gave y'all my money. I rolled my dice on y'all. I rolled the dice on y'all.
Hi, I'm Akua Joy. How's everyone doing? From New York City. I'm over here in Ghana right now. Just checking out the land, looking to relocate. It's best to come here because when you do, you're going to feel something different on the inside, and you're not going to want to go home. I promise you that.
That's what I'm talking about. One love, my sister.
We've moved here, we sold everything at the same time. We sold the house, we sold all the furniture, we gave everything away, packed 20 bags, packed 20 suitcases, came here, and we're here. We didn't come to visit. You don't visit home, you go home.
I'm from the UK, Birmingham. I came here September 2020. I sold all my, well I didn't sell, I sold a lot of my stuff and I packed a container with all my household furniture and my car, and I've come home to stay. My background is I'm a teacher by profession, and I'm home.
We all family here. Tell people your name, my brother.
My name is Aaron I just published and wrote 2 books, Volume 1 and Volume 2. And I'm getting ready to do a poem from one of them.
Really?
Yeah.
All right now.
We come here to do what we're supposed to do, to make this place great as it was in the beginning.
That's right.
Before we took out here, you see they call me Bruni, but I got a tissy roll soul.
All right now, from Cairo to Timbuktu.
Hi, I'm Linda, and I'm here in Ghana. I am here in Ghana from the great state of California, San Diego, world-class city. I relocated to third world country, Ghana. Culture shock, but nonetheless, I'm loving it. I'm here with this group today. Today's my first time meeting with this group of diasporans. I'm very happy, very pleased to see everybody because I kind of been feeling like I've been on an island all by myself, you know, but I'm just relieved to see that there are those of us here. So I say to those of you that are listening, Akwaba, come home. Ghana's not as bad as, or Africa's not as bad as they tell us on National Geographic. There are no lions and tigers in the streets. People are not running around half naked and starved with big bellies and flies in their eyes. Okay? It's a civilized place. It's nice.
I'm going to take us to the seven laws of good health. The last one is obeying your creative force. Obeying your creative force. Okay? The first one is air. You know why people die in the hospital? Because they have taken them away from the sun and air.
And they get conditioned here, not real air. They call it air conditioning, but I call it
So breathe in your nose. Breathe in your nose and breathe out your mouth. Breathe in your nose and breathe out your mouth. Now y'all had children. If you notice, your baby, you breathe in your nose and breathe out your mouth. So you breathe fresh air in your nose and you breathe in carbon monoxide out of your.
That's why for the next 12 months, me is going to donate 100 US to y'all cause. Thank you! We ain't come here to beg. Right. Now, we didn't leave 10,000 miles to beg. We showing up and we showing out. All right.
Greetings, Makayan.
I that may I say.
Greetings.
Walk to the regiment.
I don't know. Yeah, Ghana with it, you see it.
Yeah. Next, sister, they already know you. Say something to the people that know. Smile with the pretty teeth now.
Hello, everybody. Come home, everybody. This is where it's at. Leave the Western world alone and come home.
All right, say something.
Come on, yeah.
This is the new chapter of history right here.
All right, let's say 126 plus.
nation. So put it in your meditation.